of struggling financially and looking forward to build long-term financial stability, real estate investment can provide an excellent opportunity to increase your wealth. As a professional in the field, I encourage you to consider real estate investing as a valuable option. Real estate investing may seem intimidating, but it can generate passive income, providing a steady stream of revenue that can support your financial goals. Real estate is also an appreciating asset, meaning its value will most likely increase over the time of the market as it grows. Furthermore, investing in real estate doesn't always require large sums of money. There are techniques such as creative financing and strategy partnerships that savvy sellers can utilize to maximize their investment portfolio. Hi, I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside. We specialize in navigating the market and identifying the best investment opportunities that fit your specific needs and goals. Don't wait to take control of your financial future. Start investing in real estate today. Reach out to our team to learn more about how you can help secure your financial future through real estate investment. There are programs available that allow you to pursue your purchase using the income you generate from the rental property, so your out-of-pocket expense is less than you thought. Call me 843-222-7800. Talk to you soon.